Hello. Today I will show you how to make explosive arrows in multiplayer Minecraft. First type in this command to get a command block. Make sure that both command blocks are facing up. Then type in these two commands, both of which will be in the description. Set the bottom command block to repeat and put a lever on it. Set the top command block to be chain, conditional, and always active. Then pull the lever so that it is facing down. Then shoot an arrow with a bow. When the arrow hits the ground it will explode. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Oh.